Welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today's irresistible strawberry custard recipe is truly a delight for dessert lovers. The combination of creamy milk, sweet strawberry flavor, and crunchy dry fruits creates a perfect balance of taste and texture. What makes this recipe even more special is how simple and quick it is to prepare at home. Let's get started. Ingredients: walnuts, almonds, pistachios, cashews, kaju, dates, all chopped or grated, fresh milk, sugar, strawberry custard powder. Method: first, take all the dry fruits, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, cashews, and dates, and chop or grate them. Next, take a pan and add fresh milk. Add the dates and bring the milk to a boil. Then add sugar and mix well. In a separate glass, add some normal, room temperature milk and mix in the strawberry custard powder until smooth. Now pour this mixture into the boiling milk and keep stirring continuously until it becomes thick. Once it reaches a nice thick consistency, transfer it to a serving bowl. Decorate it as you like with the chopped dry fruits. We've decorated ours like this. How do you like it? Let us know in the comments. Then pour it into a serving bowl and refrigerate it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Once it's nicely chilled and set, serve this beautiful strawberry custard in front of your guests. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your opinion. See you in the next video. It's an ideal dessert for serving guests, light, refreshing, and beautifully presented. The rich color and elegant decoration make it look just as good as it tastes. Every spoonful is full of flavor, making it a guaranteed crowd pleaser. If you're looking for an easy yet impressive dessert, this strawberry custard is definitely worth trying. Give it a go and treat your family and guests to something truly delicious.